Okay, gang, here's how you do a manual grade change. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'll just do it with a random student. So you're going to want to go into your grade book, but this time you're going to, like normal, you're going to want to, in this case, let me back up on this for just a minute. So let's just go ahead and start into our grade book. And this time what we're going to do is click our classroom. And what you're going to have to do up here where it says grading period, you're going to change that back to grading period 1. Hit refresh. And now instead of picking gradebook, or we're still going to pick gradebook, but when you do this time, we're going to pick grades instead of gradebook. I'm sorry, grades instead of gradebook. I'm kind of doing this on the fly. Pick grades, then pick a class. Make sure this still says grading period 1 now. So I'm going to refresh it on grades. When you click, you should be able to see all the grades for the students in that class. So let's say you want to manually change someone's grade in that case. Then what you're going to do in that case is you're going to click on that person's name, and a box will come up where you can do a pull down and change the grade. So in the case of this person, we'll change them to an A-, and we'll hit OK, and it will have manually been changed in the grade book. Now, because posting has been closed, and posting will probably not be reopened, you won't have this issue. But what will probably happen will be that if you decide to do a manual grade change, and the posting period's up, but if you happen to do a reposting, anything that you do, it will cancel it. So you would have to go back in and manually change it again. And the thing is, if you click on these, you'll see that there's only certain grades possible. And you can see I's and F's and pass and fail and withdrawals, and there's only certain grades that are allowed. So you don't get any other choices but the ones that are here. So I'll have to go back in and remember what this person's grade was, but we'll just put a grade in for them. And at that point in time, if you hit OK, then they've been saved and you have manually changed the grade. And there you go, in a whopping 2.5 minutes.